afternoon, Pottinger's class? It's afternoon. Okay, good. 8.5 ratios. Do you know what a ratio is? Yes. Know what it does? Yes. A ratio is what's this word? It's a relationship. It is a comparison. It is how two numbers work together. Sometimes more than two numbers, but for the sake of this lesson, we're just doing two numbers, okay? Got it? Ratios can be written three different ways. They can be written as a... They can be written using this symbol, which is a... Or they can be written using the word... Any of those three ways works. Okay? Ratios should always be... Here's a picture of a pizza. We said that piece of pizza right there was eaten. Yes? How many total slices do you see? So our ratio that we wrote is right here. We said, well, one piece of pizza was eaten and there were 4 total slices. Yes? But somebody else might look at this differently and say, yeah, one piece was eaten, but 3 pieces were not eaten. Are they ratios? Yes. A comparison or a relationship between two numbers, and it could be really any way as long as it represents whatever it is you're talking about. Yes? Is this an acceptable answer for a ratio? No. Needs to be what? Sometimes ratios can be improper fractions. Is it okay to leave them as improper? Yeah, because it helps us see the relationship, right? Sometimes ratios can be converted into decimals, but you still are always going to have that decimal over what number? 1, because you're comparing that decimal to the whole number 1, right? Okay. And sometimes you're going to have word problems, and you're going to see the word and. What does and mean in math? It also is talking about a decimal point, but it can also mean to what? What?